Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries across the globe. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. But what about the impact of AI on the job market? Could your job be at risk? Well, today, we'll explore this intriguing topic and shed light on the potential implications. First, let's start by understanding what AI is all about. At its core, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These systems use algorithms and vast amounts of data to analyze, learn, and make decisions. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI threaten my job? Well, AI has the potential to automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. This automation can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, but it also means that certain jobs may no longer require a human touch. Take customer service, for instance. Many companies have already implemented AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer inquiries, reducing the need for human customer service representatives. And this is just the beginning. AI is advancing rapidly, and it's capable of much more. Industries like manufacturing and logistics are also adopting AI to streamline operations. Robots equipped with AI capabilities can perform repetitive tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency than humans. While this undoubtedly boosts productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement. However, it's crucial to note that AI isn't all about job loss. Just as it eliminates certain positions, it also creates new ones. As AI technology evolves, it requires skilled professionals to develop, maintain, and improve these systems. So, while some jobs may be at risk, new opportunities arise in the AI field. Now, let's talk about reskilling and upskilling. As AI continues to shape the job market, it becomes imperative for individuals to adapt and acquire new skills. By investing in lifelong learning and gaining expertise in AI-related areas, one can stay ahead of the curve and make themselves indispensable in this transforming landscape. It's also worth mentioning that AI technology has its limitations. While it excels in tasks like data analysis and pattern recognition, it often falls short in areas requiring human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. So, jobs that involve these aspects are less likely to be fully automated by AI. In conclusion, AI undoubtedly poses challenges to the job market, but it also opens up new horizons for growth and innovation. By embracing AI technology, reskilling, and adapting to the changing landscape, individuals can thrive in this exciting era of automation and machine intelligence.